Hello and welcome to 8-Bit. Today we're going to take a look at the top 3 website builders. At number 1 we have Wix. So for me, the best website builder out there is Wix. It's because Wix is dead easy to use. It has got all the features, it is easily customizable. You can do whatever you want with Wix. The main reason why I use Wix is because of its premium support. They help you with everything, all the questions that you have. You can just ask them and then they give you direct answers at the spot, instant. And just look at it, it's very easy to use. You've got lots of templates. You just get the plan, go to a category, pick a category, whatever you want to build, choose a template and start building your website. It just takes 15 to 30 minutes to build a website using Wix. I actually built a website today for this video and it took me 15 minutes, and as you can see, it is a shopping website, and it took me 20 minutes, guys, and this is just mind-blowing. When it comes to plans, I would suggest get the unlimited or the VIP ones. Do not get the basic €4 or the €8 ones because they're not worth it. And the business and e-commerce, get the €25 per month one because that's all you need. It's pretty expensive, but trust me, it is the best. It is the best out there. Use the link below to get a 10% discount on every Wix premium plan. HostGator comes at second place. This is kind of a mid-range website builder online. For starters, they have the starter pack at $3.84 per month, and then there's the premium, which is at $5.99 per month, and obviously there is an expensive online store at $9.22 per month. HostGator is actually a very good website builder if you're just getting started. If you're building your first website, I think you should go for the HostGator starter pack at $3.84 per month. It is pretty cheap when you consider the other website builders available, and it's amazing. You get a free domain for a year, and this is a bicycle store created using HostGator, and it's pretty clean, pretty tidy. Everything is at the right place at the right time. Pretty decent stuff. And this is obviously the add to cart page. Everything, it's incomplete obviously, and they also have the furniture store, which is also incomplete. Pretty decent again. Everything is at the right place, and a very nice looking template. This is a very good website builder if you're just getting started, and you can actually get to know how to build, and then you can actually transfer this website into Wix or any other website hoster. Click the link in the description to get a 50% off voucher on HostGator. Coming in at the third place, we have Bluehost. Bluehost is a great platform. At $3.52 per month, it is one of the cheapest out there in the market. I actually have a lot to say about Bluehost, so I'll be doing an in-depth review of it later. But if you're going to get started and you want a cheap website hosting solution, then Bluehost is the answer. It is a very easy to use platform. You can actually grow it. Once you get started, you can grow it to WordPress Pro, which is amazing, and you can actually plug in Thrive themes with Bluehost. And this is a website called Station Wagon that I built when I was in 9th grade. that just shows how easy it is to build a website using Bluehost. I would like to improve my content, so I would request all my viewers to go down and hit the subscribe and the bell icon button and help me improve my content.